It's a DC freeze. Actually, not only freeze, it is thermoelectric cooler and warmer, model TK04, volume 4 liter, voltage 220 or 12 volt. It has 6 screws and we open them all. Here is the inside view. You can see it has a cooling fan, and this one is power supply unit, and this one is the main control unit. The on-off switch is in here. I have to open this thing. Let's open the power supply. It is 2 screws and it comes very easily. And now we can examine our unit closely. I think I have to open this part too, but it will not easy. But we have to try. After applying some thinner, we can peel it now. Done. There is the sticker. Okay, so now we can open this thing. Switchboard is open. I'm going to open these two things too. It has power. You can see here is 12 volt. This is the switch, and here is nothing. There is no volt. If we set this switch this side, it should provide voltage in here, but also nothing. That means the main problem is in the switch. We have to replace this switch, or I'll try to repair it. I removed it with my hot air gun. Now I'm going to open this switch and clean it properly. And now it's completely clean. Let's check it with multimeter. Multimeter in continuity mode. Yes, it works. Let's assemble this switch again. Off position. Nice. Let's install it in the board again. I think we need a hot air gun again. Now it's connected. After a lot of examination, we can see that our thermoelectric peltier is good. It works. It can heat, it can hot, but the switch is not working because this is a thermostat switch. This wire came from a thermostat switch installed behind this heatsink. Should be in on position in normal mode, but it's not working. Let's see if I connect these two yellow air, then what happened? The fan is running, the LED is glowing. So what we can do? We can short this thermostat switch and our system will work again, but it will not a good decision because it will not stop if it cross the safe limit of hot or cold. It can be dangerous. So I have to repair the thermostat switch. We can use our cooler function without the thermostat switch. If we short this thing, the system will run and nothing bad will happen. But in hot mode, without this thing, the system could be dangerous. So we have to buy a thermostat switch and then we will continue our repair. Here is our faulty thermostat switch, and this is the replacement of it. We have to cut this metal bracket. We don't need this. And we have to trim this thing too. Now we have to solder this thing to the system. Then we need some heat shrink tube to protect this joint. Let's connect them nicely. So hot. Nice. And this one. Now the thermostat is connected and we can check it now. Does it work or not? Yes, you can see that the fan is running and our peltier is getting cold in this side and hurting this side. Unplug this. And now it's time to assemble this thing. We already cleaned the old thermal paste, so we have to apply new paste. We have to apply this thing in here too. Let's install this metal plating here. It has 4 screws. Screw them one by one. Okay. It fits perfectly to the system. Now, what? This is 12-volt DC input. AC input. Here is our screw. It jumped from my hand. We screw the back part. Finally, we fix this thing. Now it's up and running. Can you hear the humming sound of the fan? Let's see what is the temperature inside this unit. Outside this unit, it's 81.8 Fahrenheit. Inside this thing, can you see the water draw here? Can you see? And let's measure the temperature. It's 59.5 Fahrenheit. And the system is running about 30 minutes. Yes, we'll fix this thing. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.